Hi, you are going to start to learn how to order a bunch of different numbers in order from least to greatest. So this is a challenge activity for you guys. So the first activity you'll go to, and you will pick numbers less than 100, and you get to pick whether or not you're ordering all of the numbers from the least to the greatest or the greatest to the least. So if you pick the greatest to the least, you would be going from the biggest number to the smallest number. So I'm going to search for that biggest number first. 61 is the biggest. The 60s would be next. 52 is the next number, and 20 is the smallest number. I was correct because I got 1 point. If you pick the activity that goes from the least to the greatest, you have to start at the smallest number and go to the biggest number. To get back to your blend space, go to the top, click the arrow over, and this is the same sort of activity, but I wanted to explain how to do this part. We're not going to do the thousands numbers. We're only going to work on the top slider. So we're going to leave this one as it is and slide this one all the way over to the number 57 and then press go. Now you have to order numbers from the least to greatest. So I'm going to look at all my numbers. 2 would be the least, the smallest. Now I'm going to compare the 4 that I have left. I know 11 would be next. So I have 39, 46, and 43. The 3 in the tens digit is the smallest, so that one would be the third leaf. Now I compare 46 and 43. They both have the same tens digit, so when that happens, go to the next the ones digit, excuse me. And I know 3 is smaller than 6, and 46 would be the largest. So that's the next activity, that you're ordering 5 numbers in order from least to greatest. To get back to the next activity, you go to the top. And this one is a little bit easier, but it's timed, so you have to think very quickly. And it says click the numbers in order from least to greatest. So very quick because it's timed. 1 would be first, then 2, then 4, then 6, and 8. And it gives you new balloons. The quicker you do it, the higher score you get. Make sure to take your time though. We want to be accurate. So go back to the blend space, click the arrow over, and this is the most challenging one. You have a whole game board and it says pick the smallest number on the game board and work your way as you go through each room. Use a map if you are lost. Use a flashlight to zap away any ghost you come across. So I'm going to look at all the numbers and they're very similar. A lot of them have the same tens digit. And look for the smallest tens digit. Well, I know 2 is the smallest tens digit, so that's first. Now I'm going to look at the rest of the numbers. 35 would be next. And then it would be my 50s, but I have 2 50s. I have a 56 and a 50, so I look at the ones place. I know 0 is smaller. That'd be 56. Keep going until you go through all the rooms. Remember, you can use the map if you're lost, and that helps you get to the next room. So have fun, take your time, and do your best.